pala si Leonardo Bartolome Miranda.
Nga pala si Liam Miranda Ozawa.
At ako si Carl Miranda.
Si David Mirandosa.
Balitang
Deputa. Deputa.
Binibini, bago tayo magsimula sa ating talakayan, maaari po ba namin malaman ng iyong pangalan?
Sloan Miyuji Matsuzaki.
Unang-una sa lahat, madam, ano yung pinayos mo sa mech? Ano yung pinagawa mong sasakyan, madam?
So I bought an FMJ because I was bored and then I had it customized here.
Oh! So, pag naboboard ka, madam, nagpapagawa ka lang ng sasakyan, no?
Yep.
Oh, iba ka rin maboring, madam, ha?
That's nice.
Uy, English yan. Di niya naintindihan yan, ha?
Kayo muna.
Uy, Chad!
Sagot. Uy, talian nyo. Tangawan. Inaabala nyo.
Hindi!
Uy, ikaw.
Ikaw, nasa iyo yung mic.
Ikaw. Ino sa'yo yung mic. gago.
Iniipis
Nasa iyo
ako.
yung mic.
Anong iniipis ka? Pangalawang question. Para sa'yo, madam.
It's okay if you speak Tagalog. I understand Tagalog naman.
Ayun naman pala
Yun naman
Ayun
pala.
naman yan. Ba't ka to? Ganun ba? Okay, proceed. Question number 2.
Question number 2, madam.
Gaano ka nakatagal?
Gaano ka nakatagal dito sa syudad na to, madam?
I think I've been here like two months
Oh!
or a month. I'm not sure.
So, matagal ka na pala dito, madam. Maaari ba namin matanong kung ano yung habit mo sa tagal mong yun? Kung ano yung mga madalas mong ginagawa dito, madam?
Well, if I'm not with my family, I go to work, and if I'm not, in HP, I get my cars fixed here.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Meron pa ba kayong pangatlong question, mga kapatid?
Pangatlong question, madam.
Pangalong question, madam. Saan syudad ka dati?
Before this, I was in Rare City.
I'm sorry?
Before this, I was in Rare City.
Oh, Rare City.
Rare City, okay.
Okay.
Minsan ba, madam, naisipan mo nang ipagpalit ang syudad na to sa ibang mga syudad?
Not really, kasi as a family-oriented person, I'd love to just stay with my family other than go to other cities.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, madam. Thank you sa oras mo.
Meron pang number 4. What is your biggest multo in life?
Ayun!
Ayun!
Ina mo.
Oh,
Yun.
what does that mean?
Oh, ano daw yan?
Ano daw?
Ano daw yan? Gago ka.
Pwede mo yan.
Oh, are you
Ano,
asking what
explain.
my greatest what if is?
Ano po ang iyong multo?
Uh,
Tinagalog yan.
Ayos-ayusin mo.
Si Raulo yung interview.
Pwede ba
Ay,
maging...
sorry.
Sino yun?
Narinig po
Oh,
kayo
sige.
sa live namin.
Sino yun?
Ginoo.
Sino?
Ano yan?
Side comment lang po talaga kami dito.
Okay.
Side comment? Okay. Natural yun.
Putang ina mo. Uy, Mike. Uy, Mike ni madam. Proceed to the question.
Madam, I'm still with you.
yes, you're
Huh?
here pa.
Pasensya na po kung medyo may nanggugulo sa atin.
What is your greatest what if na lang? Parang hindi na siya mahirapan.
Yes. What is the greatest?
No. What is your biggest red flag?
Oh, like what I find biggest red flag in others or
No,
myself ba?
yours.
Myself.
Yours.
In your,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like as a person or as a romantic partner?
Person.
Person,
As a
person.
Person eh. Both.
Both,
Ah,
oh,
both,
yeah,
both,
yeah.
In both, I'm really like high maintenance. Like for myself, I treat myself really well. I buy lots of cars when I'm bored, and I feel like that's my red flag because it's a little hard for for guys, especially if they're trying to pursue me because I'm used to the rich lifestyle.
Naintindihan niyo ba mga kapatid?
Oo, kaya ko i-handle yun.
May nagsulat ba? Utang ayan yun eh.
Diyan,
Nag-i-interview tayo eh.
Wait.
Diyan, di ka nagsusulat dyan.
Meron akong isang question na parang ganun din pero iba. Patungkol siya sa mga kalalakihan at kagaya namin. Ano yung biggest red flag mo sa mga lalaki?
I have lots kasi, pero I guess the biggest one is the guys who talk to my dad or they ask if they can ligaw me, tapos when they get rejected, they don't come back, They don't really
Yeah.
want to pursue me.
Yun.
And then
Another
I
question.
just
Ay,
see them, they buhat themselves na.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
ito, another question, madam. What is your biggest regret in your life?
What?
Biggest regret mo sa buhay mo, madam?
Biggest regret?
Yeah.
Biggest regret is probably getting into cars because I spent too much. I should have had like around 30 million if I didn't really spend all the
What?
money sa cars.
Wow.
What the? What?
Da.
O, yung mga yung bunga nyo.
Nakalive.
Pasensya
Chan,
po.
huwag mo sulat yun, ha?
pasensya na.
Brother Chan, sulat yun, ha?
Ayun, nabigla lang kami kahit sa mo. Kaya spend mong...
Nabigla lang kami sa lifestyle mo, madam.
Oo, sorry.
Napaka solid.
Alam mo, ikaw lang ang na-interview namin na maayos.
I really
Matino, maganda.
I don't
Yes.
think I'm that matino.
Ayun,
Putang ina, yun.
Paano bang magmahal?
I'm sorry. Balik tayo sa usap-usapan natin. Siguro maaari tayong ma-post dahil napapasarap ang ating...
Ay, oo nga. Tara.
Madam, maaari po ba namin matanong kung okay lang po sa inyo kung sino po ang iyong tatay?
Oh, my father is Daddy Guerrero Matsuzaki.
Oh, Daddy G.
Oh, Daddy G.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy G.
Daddy G.
Uy,
What is your
My
photo in life.
motto
Yes.
in life.
yes. What are you in life?
My motto in life is don't judge the book when your mouth is full.
Oh.
Nice.
Madam, pwede ba namin malaman kung sino ang iniibig mo ngayon?
What is iniibig?
Like
Is that
Maliligaw.
when you get water from outside and then you bring it at home? Oh,
ini
what is it ba?
like
Kung may naliligaw ba sa'yo, ganun.
Oh,
yeah.
as of the moment, there's none.
Ako pa lang.
Kasi my dad
Uy.
doesn't want me to have ligaw-ligaw.
Oh.
Sayang.
Study first.
Ilan taon na po ba kayo, madam?
Isn't it a little personal?
I'm sorry.
But I'm of legal age.
Oh, okay. I see.
I see.
Alright.
Madam, may mga kaibigan ka po ba dito sa syudad na to?
Yes, I have lots of friends here, aside from my family.
Sino po ba yung pinaka best friend niyo po dito sa syudad natin?
Actually, no, I don't currently have a best friend aside from my kuya, but I used to have one before he confessed to me.
Pwede mo malaman. Sino yun?
Hindi ka nagsasalita.
Sino yun? Utang
I,
Kaya
I,
kung may
I think
nabasa yung
it's a bit
tatanungin na.
personal if you ask.
Ah,
Kasi you know, it's not really
Huwag na.
nice.
interview
Share
lang
that.
tayo.
Ano po
Ah,
love
I don't
language
want
mo?
him to get...
Madam, pasensya na po kasi medyo napasarap ang ating pamag-interview dahil napakaganda niyo pong kausap.
Ikaw
It's
lang
fine
ang the
po.
best.
I
Ikaw
don't
lang.
have anything to do naman. It's fine.
Pasensya na po kung medyo napapasobra na po kami.
No, it's fine. You can keep asking naman. I don't
Hindi
mind.
ka lang maganda makipag-usap, maganda ka pa.
Putang ina mo. Ay, sorry, my bad.
I'm sorry.
Don't say bad words.
Hey, John,
on live,
brother John.
on live. Oh, did someone ask what my love language was?
Ay, oo pala. Ano lang?
Oo nga
Oo.
pala,
Ano
love
ba love
language. Oo
language
nga
mo?
pala, ano pala.
Oh, my love language is quality time and physical abuse.
Uy, siguro.
Uy,
Ako na
quality
to.
time? Ako yata.
Ano to?
Quality time.
Hindi, hindi.
Pwede mo bugin yan, no? Nasa katabi mo. Bugin mo na yan, madam.
We don't do that in
Oo.
live.
Naka-live tayo kasi. Ayun naman.
Madam, maaari ka po ba namin isama para sa aming pag-interview?
Why?
Kasi po ma'am, napakaganda po ng yung pagsagot. Nakuha ka po sa aming
Balitang!
balitang.
Puta! Puta!
Balitang.
Puta!